What up, bruh? Got the new whip.
I'm just gonna take the look.
That shit sounds dangerous, bruh. Alright, let's go. Let's go to Mexico. I'm trying to see this shit in action, bruh. Oh, is that the Z06? Damn, it might get lit right now. Oh, fuck. I get so high. I get so high. And I be floating. I get so high. Fuck around and never come down. What's good, guys? Man, I haven't heard that song in a long time. That's a dope song though. But anyways, you know what I'm saying? Now that the concert's over, you guys get concerts with me. Hold up. Whoo! You get that? Can't forget about that. How could you? You know, you guys get a lot of stuff right here with this channel, man. Who got vocals like that on YouTube though, man? Besides Mr. Organic, I ain't gonna lie, man. Mr. Organic, 3 of them. Can't be fucking young Patti LaBelle. Can't be fucking with that, man. But hey, besides that, who's fucking with the kid though, man? Honestly, I ain't, yo, I'm gonna leave it at that. But anyways, man, we're on our way to a little car meet right now. It's been actually a minute, it feels like, since I went to like a car meet, and I'm pretty sure, well, yeah, I'm positive we're going to Mexico tonight, man. Hopefully we get some good runs in. It's been a while, bro, to be honest. It feels like it's been a while since we got like a lot of good runs in. But yo, Ed got a new car. You know, you guys can see that in a minute. You know, once we get there, my boy Ed got a new whip. He sold the Mustang, and it had about close to it had more than like 800 horsepower. He just got done doing some more stuff, building it up even more, and then he decided, you know what, I don't want this shit no more. Boom, he sold it, and now he got a new whip. So we're about to go see that. Lalo, who has a Camaro, I believe it's like a 2012 or something like that, 2012, 2013. He just got a cam in his, and he got I believe he had headers, and he just got retuned. So, you know what I'm saying? He picked up a little more power. You know, there's gonna be a Hellcat there. I believe my boy Dylan is back. My boy D Snides, man, go follow the YouTube. He's back. He has the freaking 370 turbo 370. That thing is pushing some power. I don't know his numbers, and even if I did, I wouldn't be the one to tell you. You know what I'm saying? You got to go get at him for that. But man, you guys could go to his YouTube and see the damage that it has done already. And it just got back, so it should be even better now. I don't know, man. Like I said, go hit him up, go check him out. Man, he's doing some big things with that one. You know what I'm saying? And you know, who knows who else will be there. You know, a lot of people been lurking lately, so we'll see what happens, man. Should be a very good time. But we're gonna be pulling up here soon, so you know, once we get there, we'll pick the camera back up and see what's good with it, man. What's good, guys? How's it going, G? Little choppy. he said it's a little choppy. That sounds good. About 70 horses. 70 horses? 70 horses. We going to Mexico tonight or what? Let's get it. Big Ed. What up, bruh? Got the new whip.
I'm just gonna take the lower.
Sheesh. You guys can't even see it. It's so dark. The Mozzie looking like a damn Batmobile or some shit.
Check out the inside.
That shit's hard though. Oh, is that red? Oh no, that's peanut butter.
Yeah, peanut butter.
Oh shit.
Yeah, you can.
Oh damn. Big luxury. Damn, look at the peanut butter in the whip. No jelly. Yeah, this shit feels good in here, huh? The paddle shifters are hard. Is this Tony's new whip too or what? Look, everybody got new whips, huh? What up, G? Damn, dog.
Fuck,
Is he talking about you?
I didn't even say what's up. He just like said trash can. I was like, damn.
That's fucked up, bruh. Big D Snides is back up in the building. Damn, I'm trying to see this thing in action, bro.
Yeah, me too, bro. Have you ever seen him in action?
I've never, no, I haven't, dude.
Dude, that shit's fucking
I've seen him like driving, but I never seen him fucking in action though.
Yeah, bro, that shit's
I heard.
something else, bro.
I seen the YouTube videos.
Too fast.
Too fast, too furious. That shit sounds dangerous, bruh. Damn. Alright, let's go. Let's go to Mexico. I'm trying to see this shit in action, bruh. That shit is no joke right there. There he goes.
Pretty quiet too when it idles.
Yeah, when it's idling. Fucking beast. Fuck, you hear it? Let's get it. Hey, Lalo, you need a passenger now, bro. You need a passenger. Tell Crispy. Let's get it. Oh, fuck it.
I'll be safe.
For sure.
I don't know the meaning of safe.
What's that?
Oh, they're fucking going too?
Oh, is that the Z06?
Yeah.
Damn, it might get lit right now. Let's see what's about to happen, man. Fuck. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, fucking. What the fuck? Rigo. That was an actual run with Rigo, but if it was, we got him.
I think he let off. Like, he took off, then he let off, then he got on it again, and then he fucking...
After he got off, and then he got on, that's when I got on it, the second time.
Franco versus the Z06.
Is that what it was?
Yeah. I think they're right next to each other.
They were right next to each other?
Yeah.
Franco shit's pretty quick now, dude. What's this? Is that Tony?
That's a 325. I don't know who that is. Probably random.
Damn, well, fucking so much for my run.
Ain't okay, my buddy.
Trying to run us over, bruh? Teaser.
I thought that's gonna do it.
What's good, guys? It's a whole new day. Just washed the whip, getting ready to go ball. And man, I don't know when this happened. As you can see, man, the whip is all clean and stuff, you know what I'm saying, before we get into it. And that thing's shiny though. Okay, looking good. I didn't do too bad. But I don't know when this happened, but I'm glad that I came across it because this shit could have ended up real bad, bro. Like, I don't know how the hell this happened. Like, check this out, man. What the hell? Like, how deep does that thing have to be? Look how big that is. That is crazy. I don't know how I didn't see that or when it happened, but it must be in there pretty good because my tire pressure light hasn't come on. But dude, that thing looks huge as fuck. Like, how deep is that in there? I just got done doing some runs and a whole bunch of other stuff. Like, that thing could have ended up bad, but we're kind of late to go ball. I'm still gonna drive on it, so we might as well get a little cold start. yo, I was ready. I was just getting in some runs. That thing could have ended up bad because you seen how big it is. So I'm lucky that, you know, nothing happened while I was getting runs in. You know, we like to have fun out there in Mexico, so I was just, you know how I drive on canyon runs? I just took this thing on like a little canyon type run. I just had someone else driving the whip too, so, and was just gonna have a couple other people drive the whip tomorrow. And, you know, they like to go a little crazy when they test it out. So man, I'm just grateful that I came across it before something happened. So obviously I'm gonna go drive it right now, but I ain't gonna do nothing crazy. I needed new tires anyway though, so, you know, I'm not too worried about it. This just forces me to get the tires even quicker because I'm not gonna like try to patch it up or anything. I'm just getting the new tires. I'm sure you guys will be happy to hear that. You know what I'm saying? I've been needing them, so if anything, this just happened for a reason. Told my dumb ass to hurry up and get the damn tires. I got too much content to be getting in and no time to waste, you know what I'm saying? So I need to just get those tires on there. And I got a lot of dope runs coming up. You know, that's why I'm gonna need those good tires anyway. So, you know, it happened at a good time. If it was gonna happen, it happened at a good time because it's overdue, past due. You know, I've been spinning on 40s lately and I never used to spin on 40s. So that's how you know that these tires are done anyways. So, you know, all of them are done. I mean, actually they're not that bad. To be quite honest with you, they aren't that bad. But for some reason, they just won't catch traction in this thing anymore. So, you know, for someone who just drives normally, they got a good amount of life left. But for trying to do digs and stuff like that, nah, it ain't happening. Even 40s, you know, in this car. But let me know what tires you guys think I should get. I'm thinking I'm gonna go with the R888s. Pretty sure that's what I'm gonna get. But what do you guys think, man? Should I go with the Nittos, NTO5s? I think they got the G2s, which are a little cheaper. Or should I go with the little mixture, you know, R888s in the back, Nittos in the front? A lot of people have been saying Mickeys, and I don't really have, I'm not making enough power to where I need slicks or Mickeys just yet. And plus I like to do canyon runs and stuff. But when I'm making enough power, I will get the drag pack, you know, specifically for when I'm gonna go out and race and, you know, do digs or whatever. And then I'll have my other tires for when I want to do canyon runs and just normal driving and all that. But for now, you know, I think the R888s or some NTO5s or something along those lines are gonna do just right. And I'll be able to give you guys a little review on them too, you know, so you guys could know what to go with. But drop it down in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. What's your opinion? What are the best tires to go with? But just know tires are coming within the next couple of days because, like I said, I got too many runs to get in, too much content to get out, and you know, we ain't got no time to waste, baby. We on a mission right now. We trying to do some big things, you know, bring some big stuff to the channel. And bruh, I'm going the wrong way. Yo, what the fuck? I'm going the wrong direction, man. I was supposed to be going north. I'm over here going south and shit. And bruh, I'm going the wrong way. I'm over here talking to you guys, going the whole wrong way. I'm like, wait, I'm trying to think about you know, where I'm going right now to go play ball. And I'm like, wait a minute. Something don't seem right now. Something don't seem right. Yeah, you going the wrong direction, you dumb mother. See, you guys got me messed up, man. You guys got me all messed up going the wrong way. I literally went at least 2 miles in the wrong direction. Sheesh. But yeah, anyways, guys, I'm just grateful that, you know, nothing happened with that. Lucky that I was able to see it. Good thing I washed the car today because I probably wouldn't have looked and would have gone out tonight because it is Friday. And, you know, we take trips to Mexico on Fridays, man. So, you know, glad that didn't happen. Like I said, let me know what tires you think I should go with. The gaming channel is up. If you guys want to go support, if you're into gaming and stuff, it is up. LouieXIII Gaming, you know, all links are in the description. The website is up, the merch is up. You know, go support the kid. I don't got the merch on right now because I don't want to get it all dirty. But if you want to support the channel and, you know, speed up the process a little bit to bring some new stuff over here, then go support the kid, man. You know, go to the website. All links are in the description, 1391.com. Make sure you look at all the different colors because there's a lot of different colors on the stuff, you know. Don't just look at the featured. Go to the whole catalog and look at everything because there's a lot of stuff on there and more to come too. And, you know, all the money I make off that is all going back into the channel to entertain you guys even more, baby, because we got some big plans like I told you guys before. So stay tuned for all that. Thank you guys so much. If you haven't subscribed yet, man, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button because it helps tremendously. You know, give it a like, drop a comment. If you guys want to be shouted out in the next video, you know, just drop a comment and I'll pick one of you guys in the next video and I'll shout you guys out, man. But thank you guys so much. As always, I appreciate you guys more than anything. Who is Louie XIII checking out? Salute. Catch you guys on the next one, man.